Powerwall Plus utilizes a two-piece mounting bracket that consists of a battery assembly bracket and a solar assembly bracket. Follow the same clearance requirements that are used for Powerwall 2, which are 2 inches on the left, 6 inches on the right, 2 inches above the unit, and 10 inches between side-by-side units. Begin by installing the battery assembly bracket with at least 4 fasteners embedded a minimum of 2.5 inches into a structural member. Next, align the solar assembly bracket with the threaded post in the battery assembly bracket. Secure the 2 brackets with the included square nut. Ensure that the solar assembly bracket is level and secure it to the wall with 4 fasteners. Use a dolly to mount the battery assembly on the battery bracket. Feed the interproduct harness from the battery assembly into the knockout at the bottom of the solar assembly. Insert the cable gland into the solar assembly until it is fully seated. Lower the solar assembly onto the solar bracket. Ensure that the gap between the 2 assemblies is consistent and that the edges on the right side of the solar assembly and battery assembly are aligned. Secure the solar assembly to the bracket by installing the provided T30 fastener into the threaded hole. Powerwall Plus is now fully mounted and ready for wiring.